Greetings, health enthusiasts. Before we dive into today's topic, please take a moment to check out the other videos in our playlist for more health-related information. We're embarking on a journey to unravel the mysteries of allergens, specifically those lurking in seafood. If you or someone you know has ever experienced an allergic reaction, you understand how vital it is to identify the triggers. And even if you're fortunate enough not to have allergies, awareness of common allergens is crucial, especially when preparing meals for others. What are allergens, you ask? They are substances that prompt an immune response, which can range from mild to severe. Seafood, a dietary staple for many, is often a common source of allergens, but don't worry, knowledge is power. Today we will demystify allergens, explain how they affect your body, and highlight some common allergens found in seafood. So, what exactly are allergens? Let's dive right in. An allergen, in the simplest terms, is a substance that can cause an allergic reaction. Yes, that's right. It's not the peanuts, the shellfish, or the pollen that make you sneeze, itch, or swell up. It's your body's response to these substances, which it mistakenly perceives as threats. In essence, allergens are substances that are usually harmless to most people. They can be found in a variety of sources, such as food, dust mites, animal dander, and even certain types of medication. But for some individuals, their immune system misidentifies these innocuous substances as harmful invaders, much like bacteria or viruses. This triggers a defensive reaction, leading to symptoms that we associate with allergies. So it's not the allergen itself that causes the problem, but rather our body's overzealous response to it. Now, you might be wondering, why does this happen? Well, it's all down to the immune system. Our immune systems are designed to protect us from harmful substances. However, in the case of allergies, the immune system gets a little confused. It mistakes the harmless allergen for a dangerous invader and launches an attack. This attack is what causes the symptoms of an allergic reaction. Allergic reactions can range from mild, such as sneezing or a skin rash, to severe, such as anaphylaxis, which is a life-threatening reaction that requires immediate medical attention. The symptoms and severity of an allergic reaction can vary widely from person to person, and even from one reaction to the next in the same individual. It's also important to note that not everyone will react to the same allergens. What triggers an allergic reaction in one person may have no effect on another. This is why allergy testing is so crucial in identifying what substances an individual is allergic to. Now that we know what allergens are, let's take a closer look at how they affect our bodies. Allergens can have a variety of effects on the body, some mild, others more severe. Let's delve into the science of it all. When allergens enter the body, they're often perceived as foreign invaders. Our immune system, in its quest to protect us, springs into action. It releases chemicals, including histamines, which trigger a cascade of symptoms we recognize as allergic reactions. Now, picture this scenario. You're at a picnic and a tiny bit of pollen floats into your nose. The immune system swings into action, thinking it's under attack. This response can lead to symptoms like sneezing, a runny nose, or itchy eyes. That's your body's way of trying to expel the allergen. But allergens don't just affect the nose, they can also impact the skin, causing it to become itchy, red, or swollen. If you've ever experienced hives or eczema, that's your immune system reacting to an allergen. Ingesting allergens, like those found in certain foods, can lead to abdominal pain, vomiting, or diarrhea. This is because the immune system is trying to expel the allergen from the body as quickly as possible, and it doesn't stop there. Allergens can also affect the respiratory system, leading to coughing, wheezing, or a tight feeling in the chest. In some individuals, allergens can trigger asthma attacks. The severity of these symptoms can vary widely from person to person. Some may experience mild discomfort, while others may have severe reactions that can be life-threatening, such as anaphylaxis. This severe allergic reaction can cause a drop in blood pressure, loss of consciousness, and can be fatal if not treated immediately. It's important to note that while these reactions might seem like overreactions, they're just your immune system doing its job, protecting you. But in the case of allergies, it's a bit of a misunderstanding between your body and the allergen. Knowing how allergens affect our bodies, let's now explore some common seafood allergens. Seafood is a common source of allergens, with certain types being more allergenic than others. When we talk about seafood allergies, we're typically referring to reactions to proteins found in creatures of the sea. These proteins, when introduced to our bodies, can sometimes be flagged as harmful invaders, causing our immune system to react. Let's dive a bit deeper into this vast ocean of information. A common culprit of seafood allergies is shellfish, a category that encompasses a wide variety of species. Shrimp, crab, and lobster are some of the usual suspects found in this group. Their delectable taste and texture might lure many of us in, but for some, these crustaceans can trigger allergic reactions ranging from mild irritations to severe anaphylaxis. Another group of shellfish that can cause allergic reactions are mollusks. This group includes clams, mussels, oysters, and scallops. Like their crustacean cousins, these creatures contain proteins that can be allergenic. But it's not just the shellfish that can cause a stir in our immune systems. Finned fish, like salmon and tuna, can also be allergenic. Interestingly, a person could be allergic to one type of fish and not another. This is because the proteins in each species of fish differ, and it's these specific proteins that our bodies might react to. Now, you might be wondering, what about other seafood? Well, squid, octopus, and other cephalopods can also cause allergic reactions, although these are less common. Sea urchins and other echinoderms are another less common source of seafood allergens. It's important to note that cooking does not typically change the allergenic properties of these proteins, so if you're allergic to raw shrimp, you're likely to be allergic to cooked shrimp as well. Also, it's worth mentioning that seafood allergies can develop at any age. You could have been chowing down on crab cakes and calamari for years without any issues, and then suddenly find yourself experiencing an allergic reaction. This is because our immune systems can change over time, so an allergy can appear seemingly out of the blue. Remember, the severity of allergic reactions can vary greatly from person to person. Some people might experience mild symptoms like itching or hives, while others could have a severe reaction like anaphylaxis, which is a life-threatening condition that requires immediate medical attention. In some cases, it might not be the seafood itself causing the reaction. For instance, some people are allergic to iodine, which is often found in seafood. Others might react to additives used in the processing or preparation of seafood, such as sulfites used to prevent discoloration in shrimp and lobster. Now that we're aware of these allergens, how can we manage them? Well, the most effective management strategy is avoidance. However, it's not always as simple as it sounds, and we'll delve into that in our next segment. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay safe. Managing seafood allergens effectively is key to maintaining a healthy diet and lifestyle. It's a matter of understanding our bodies, recognizing potential triggers, and acting proactively to avoid adverse reactions. The first step in managing seafood allergens is awareness and avoidance. If you know you're allergic to a certain type of seafood, the simplest solution is to avoid consuming it. This might seem straightforward, but it can be more complex than it appears. Seafood is often hidden in foods you might not expect, like broths, salad dressings, and sauces. It's also worth noting that cross-contamination can occur during food preparation, particularly in restaurants where different types of seafood are often prepared using the same equipment. This brings us to the second strategy: careful reading of food labels. In many countries, food manufacturers are required by law to clearly list common allergens, including seafood, on their product labels. This is a valuable tool for those managing seafood allergies, but it requires a keen eye and a bit of detective work. Look out for words like shellfish, crustaceans, and mollusks, as these are often used to denote seafood allergens. If you're dining out, don't hesitate to ask the restaurant staff about the ingredients they use. Lastly, for those with severe allergies, it's crucial to seek medical advice. An allergist can provide you with personalized advice and treatment options, which may include carrying an epinephrine auto-injector for emergency situations. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry, especially when it comes to your health. In the end, managing seafood allergens is a matter of diligence and care. By learning to navigate the world of food labels, asking the right questions, and working closely with healthcare professionals, we can enjoy a diverse diet without putting our health at risk. After all, food should be a source of pleasure and nourishment, not worry and discomfort. With the right knowledge and precautions, managing seafood allergens is entirely within our grasp. So, we've learned about allergens, how they affect the body, and common ones found in seafood. A grasp of these key concepts is essential in managing our overall health. It's not just about avoiding discomfort or reactions, but also about nurturing our well-being. Understanding allergens empowers us to make informed choices and lead a healthier life. Remember, knowledge is the first step towards managing allergies. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay healthy. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. Until next time.